Okay, so the overall purpose of this program is to create a geometrical pattern consisting of colorful diamonds. In order to create the entire drawing, we would have to create a multiple nested while loop to create individual diamonds, a row of diamonds, and multiple stacked rows of diamonds. I also created a second nested while loop that has the same code as the first one, except the iterations are adjusted to fill in the missing diamonds for the rest of the drawing. When writing this code, I broke it into smaller pieces. I first figured out how to create one diamond. I noticed how each diamond had smaller diamonds within it, and from this, I created the while loop so that it decreased the diamond's length by a factor of 10 for every iteration. I then created an outer loop that created adjacent diamonds to make a row. Lastly, I figured out how to make multiple stacking rows by creating an outermost while loop that increased the y coordinate per iteration. A difficulty I encountered was writing the code that created another row above the previous row. Something I did to resolve this issue was to make it so that the y coordinate would increase every time the number of rows increased by multiplying num rows to the diameter of the diamond, which is seen right here. Something that I found was an opportunity was the fact that I could use a for loop in order to create a diamond. And this is similar to creating a square, except I made the set heading 45 degrees. A list I created was named diamond colors and was used to fill each layer of the diamond with a different color. I used the variable new color to and the pop method after diamond colors in order to change the color to fill each layer of the iteration. I also restated the diamond colors list to allow the colors to pop again. If I did not use this list, I would not be able to use a while loop to draw a single diamond. I would have had to write the code for each gradually decreasing diamond and fill each one of them with a different color, which would have been very inefficient. An example of sequencing is the diamond color list, which I just mentioned, and this is part of the code used to fill each layer of diamond within one diamond using the pop method. An example of a selection is the conditional stated within each while loop. In the outermost while loop, the conditional states that the loop will run if num rows is less than 6, and once the conditional is false, it will stop running. And lastly, an example of iteration in the code is seen within the while loop, which creates a singular diamond. As you can see, for every iteration, the diamond length decreases by a factor of 10, which causes its layers.